working from home? Worried about your screen timing out and appearing inactive or away? Finding yourself having to constantly jiggle, wiggle, move, shake or shoogle your mouse every few minutes? Because if that amber light shows, then suspicions arise. Life always throws its little challenges during work hours at home. Plus, you can't afford mid-work disruptions like losing an important software update, a file transfer upload, a file rendering, or even getting kicked out of web meetings, simply because your screensaver's kicked in. Don't dance to someone else's tune. Wee Shoogle keeps your computer awake and your green light on. Give your life the green light to do the things that matter to you. Give yourself peace of mind. Give yourself room to breathe. Give yourself a break when needed. Give your life a Wee Shoogle. Wee Shoogle, the mouse mover. Available to buy now on Amazon.